In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files or pictures in Hotmail. Let's get started right from your inbox. First, open your web browser and go to your Outlook or Hotmail email dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can see your inbox, your folders, and the usual menu options along the left and top of the screen. This is your main dashboard, and it's where you'll begin whenever you want to send an email with attachments. From here, look for the button that says New Mail or New Message, usually near the top left of the page. Click on that to open a blank email window. This is where you'll compose your message. You should now see fields for the recipient's address, the subject line, and the main body of the email. Before you start typing, take a look at the toolbar along the top of this new message window. Find the paperclip icon. This is the universal symbol for attachments. Click on the paperclip, and a small menu will appear with a few options for how you want to attach your files. From that menu, choose Browse this computer. This tells Outlook that you want to attach something that's saved locally on your device, whether that's a document, a PDF, or a picture. When you click it, a File Explorer window will open. This is where you navigate through your folders to find what you want to send. Now, locate the files or pictures you want to attach. You can usually click once to select a single file, or hold down the Control or Command key to select multiple items at the same time. Once you've selected them, click Open. Outlook will start uploading those files into your email. Give it a moment, especially if the files are large. You'll see the attachments appear just below the subject line or at the bottom of the message, showing their file names and sizes. With your files or pictures attached, you can now fill in the rest of your email. In the To field, type the recipient's email address carefully to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Add a clear subject line so they know what the message is about, and then type your message in the main body. If the attachments are important, you might want to mention them in the text so the recipient knows to look for them. Once everything looks good and your attachments are fully uploaded, you're ready to hit send. That's all you need to attach files or pictures in Hotmail.